It happens every night, in the quiet hours. While you're unaware, your body is trying to rebuild the joints and muscles that carry you through life. But is it succeeding, or losing ground because you missed one crucial step right before bed? Are your joints stiff and aching after a night's sleep? Do your muscles feel weak or slow to recover? Are you worried about losing strength and flexibility as you age? Has maintaining mobility become a daily challenge? What if simple foods before bed could change this? Let's explore this together. You may find that, as you age, both muscle mass and joint health become noticeable challenges. After 60, age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, and joint degeneration, like osteoarthritis, often occur together, impacting your mobility, comfort, and independence. While daytime nutrition and activity are crucial, the long overnight period is a significant time for your body to repair and rebuild from the day's stress and activity. During these hours, your body needs consistent access to specific building blocks and compounds to effectively mend muscle tissue and support the repair and maintenance of cartilage and connective tissues in your joints. If these are not sufficiently available from your evening meal or a pre-sleep snack, your body's ability to perform these vital rebuilding tasks is hindered. So why do both muscles and joints struggle with repair overnight, particularly after 60? As we age, the natural rates of muscle protein synthesis and collagen production in joints tend to decrease. This means that the body becomes less efficient at rebuilding tissues. Furthermore, the overnight period represents the longest time your body goes without receiving nutrients from food. Without a steady supply of amino acids for muscles or the precursors for joint repair components like collagen and proteoglycans, the body's repair machinery doesn't have all the raw materials it needs. Chronic inflammation, which is more common with age, can interfere with repair processes in both muscles and joints. These underlying issues, slower natural synthesis, prolonged fasting, and inflammation, create a challenging environment for overnight rebuilding. The immense significance of providing targeted nutritional support during the overnight period to fuel the repair and rebuilding processes in both muscles and joints is now a major area of research. Unlike focusing on just one tissue, supporting both simultaneously leverages the body's interconnected repair systems and ensures comprehensive overnight regeneration. Studies are actively exploring how specific nutrients, particularly certain types of protein and compounds that support connective tissue health and reduce inflammation, can enhance the body's ability to rebuild while you sleep. For aging bodies, providing consistent availability of these key building blocks and supportive compounds before a long fasting period is emerging as a powerful strategy to mitigate age-related decline in both muscles and joints. This proactive approach helps create an environment that is more conducive to comprehensive overnight rebuilding, contributing to better strength, flexibility, and overall physical resilience. Based on scientific understanding of muscle protein synthesis, collagen production, and overnight repair processes, there are specific foods that stand out for their potential to support the rebuilding of both joints and muscles while you sleep. These foods provide a unique combination of nutrients that address the needs of both tissues during the crucial overnight window. The top 4 bedtime foods that can help rebuild joints and muscles after 60 are plain Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese, combined with berries. These dairy foods are excellent sources of casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a sustained release of amino acids throughout the night, crucial for muscle repair and rebuilding. The berries add vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis, key for joints, and antioxidants that fight inflammation impacting both tissues.
Hard-boiled eggs, 1 or 2. Eggs are a complete protein source for muscles. Egg whites are rich in glycine and proline, key amino acids for collagen synthesis, joint structure. Having eggs before bed provides both muscle-building blocks and precursors for joint repair. Walnuts, paired with a protein source like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, contain a small amount of protein and are rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s, beneficial for both tissues. They also contain melatonin for better sleep, aiding overall repair. Pairing them with dairy protein ensures sustained amino acids for muscles, plus joint-supportive fats and potential sleep benefits. Tart cherry juice, unsweetened, paired with a small protein source, is known for anti-inflammatory properties benefiting joints and muscles, and melatonin for sleep. Consumed alongside a small protein source, like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, it reduces inflammation while the protein fuels muscle repair overnight. Making these foods a part of your nightly routine is simple. Aim to consume one or a combination of these options about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. For dairy and berries, combine a serving, 150 to 200 grams, of plain Greek yogurt or cottage cheese with a half cup of fresh or frozen berries. For walnuts, have a small handful, about 1 ounce, with a small serving of dairy or 1 hard-boiled egg. Have 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs on their own. For tart cherry juice, drink 8 to 10 ounces of 100% juice alongside a small protein source, for example, a half cup of dairy. Consistency is key to providing sustained nutritional support throughout the night for both your muscles and joints. So, to recap, as you age, your muscles and joints need specific support for overnight repair. By choosing strategic bedtime foods like Greek yogurt/cottage cheese with berries, hard-boiled eggs, walnuts with protein, or tart cherry juice with protein, you provide the necessary building blocks and anti-inflammatory compounds. This helps fight muscle loss, supports joint tissue, reduces pain and stiffness, and contributes to overall physical capability and comfort.
Taking this one small step could make all the difference if you are over 60 and want to actively support the rebuilding of both your muscles and joints, prevent age-related decline, and enhance your physical capability and comfort using simple, scientifically proven bedtime foods. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately if you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on foods to fuel both your muscles and joints overnight. Show this video to a loved one who may be experiencing both muscle weakness and joint pain, or is looking for simple ways to enhance their physical fitness and comfort, especially by supporting overnight rebuilding. Their life might be changed by your simple act of sharing this powerful information. After learning about these foods, which of these 4 bedtime food strategies will you try tonight to support both your joints and muscles while you sleep? Share your choice in the comments below.